man, I could fly this chair like a kite. It's like unbelievable, man. It's like the chair is its own kite. It's a kite. This is how windy it is. The chair is a kite. I gotta hold on to it or it would blow and hit Stella. This is just so weird. Oh my god. I should have brought a kite. I could kind of fly off the ground. This is like amazing. I don't think I've ever been out in wind when it's quite this hot. This is so weird. But yeah, this is barely hold on to the chair. Oh my god. This is nuts. Holy crap. Poor dog. She's like, what are you doing to me? Where are you taking me? That's how Stella goes. Oh man. Almost lost my hat.